Welcome to Rebel NK, where we expose the hidden truths that they do not want you to see. Today, we are diving into the silent weapon of the 21st century, digital propaganda. It's everywhere, shaping what you believe, how you act, and even how you vote. Stay tuned, because what you are about to learn might just save you from becoming a pawn in their game. Decode the Matrix. Rebellion is freedom. Digital propaganda is not just your average fake news. It's a sophisticated, weaponized strategy to influence and control. From botamies flooding social media with false narratives to AI-generated deepfakes that blur the line between reality and fiction. The methods are evolving faster than ever. But why does it matter? Because it's not just about controlling the media. It's about controlling you, your thoughts, your choices, your future. Let's break down the tools they use to manipulate the masses. Bots and troll farms. These are not just random internet users. They are organized armies designed to amplify lies, drown out dissent, and create an illusion of consensus. Deepfakes, AI-generated videos that make it almost impossible to distinguish fact from fiction. Imagine a world where you cannot trust what you see. That world is here. Algorithmic bias. Social media platforms are not neutral. Their algorithms push content that keeps you engaged, often at the cost of truth. Think of it as a digital echo chamber, trapping you in a world of manipulated reality. Still think this does not affect you? Think again. Let's look at some real-world examples. Cambridge Analytica scandal. How personal data was weaponized to influence elections. Russian bot interference. A foreign country using digital propaganda to shape political outcomes globally. Deepfake scandals. From fake political speeches to character assassinations, these videos have real consequences. The good news: you do not have to be a victim. Here is how to fight back. Question everything. Do not take headlines at face value. Dig deeper. Verify sources. Use fact-checking tools to confirm the authenticity of what you see. Understand algorithms. Be aware that what you see online is curated, not organic. Spread awareness. Share this knowledge with others. The more people who understand, the harder it is for them to control us. Remember, the greatest weapon against manipulation is knowledge. The silent war is happening right now. And the battlefield is your mind. Do not let them win. Until next time, stay curious, stay rebellious, and most importantly, stay vigilant. If you are ready to break free from their control and uncover the truth, subscribe to Rebel NK. Together, we will shatter the illusions and reclaim our freedom.